In today's tutorial, we're learning how to make this cool animated slider effect in Canva. These are the color codes I applied to the backgrounds. We're starting with a blank canvas. I've already created 3 blank pages and applied a gradient background color to each. Okay, let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is go to the Elements tab. Scroll down to Frames. And I'm selecting this circular frame. Reduce the scale and place it on top. Duplicate it. Go to the Upload tab and import the images. Download images from the link in description below. And all we have to do is move it around frame. Click the frame, crop, and adjust its placement. Of course, you can use any other image you like. In this tutorial, I'm using these characters as an example. Now I'm going to increase the size of this frame a little bit. I'll select the image again. Then click BG Remover. Flip horizontal. And scale it up. Select all frames, then copy. Go to second page and paste. Increase the next frame. And reduce the previous frame. You can use the arrow keys on your keyboard to move slightly. Also enter character image. Then click BG Remover. I'm going to do the same step for page 3. In the next step, I'm going to enter the text for each page. You can download the font from the link in the description below. Of course, you can add your own text. I used Lorem Ipsum text for the example. Let's add a transition between these pages. We're going to add a line wipe transition. Change direction. Increase the duration as well. Then click Apply between all pages. Now, what we're going to do is animate the elements. Select frames and click Animate. Let's see which one is more suitable. Make sure it's on the Enter. I think wipe is quite good. Change direction. I think it's perfectly appropriate. Select the character. Animate. And we're going to apply baseline animation to it. Make sure it's on the Enter.
Decrease the speed.
Select the text, go to Animate.
Pan.
Make sure it's on the Enter. Direction. Now we need to adjust the time of entry of the elements because not all the elements are going to enter at the same time. Click the element and reduce the duration. Select the character and reduce the duration as well. What I want is for the character to come first. then other elements to come in. So I'm going to select the text layer and I'm going to reduce the duration a little bit. Now it's the frames layer's turn, so I'm selecting frames. And I'm going to reduce the duration of all 3 layers by the same amount. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Follow the same steps for other pages.
Decrease the speed.
Let's play it. It's quite good. Let's see the preview too. If you like this tutorial, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. When you are happy with the result, go to share and download in MP4 or GIF format.